So in this episode, I'm going to be reviewing the iPad Pro. In the last one, I reviewed the iPad A16 chip in pink, which it's a good iPad and everything. It's a budget iPad. You can get it for $320 and then another $250 for the case. So that's what, almost $600 versus this iPad is the iPad Pro. It's got 256 storage. This one has Face ID versus Touch ID. See? It's got Face ID. It's got Apple Pencil capability. It's got the center stage camera as well for FaceTime. In my opinion, if you would rather spend the money for an iPad versus the MacBook, this iPad is good. It's got uh, 256 storage, and I've only used 57 of it, and I've got quite a few things downloaded. In my opinion, this is a much better iPad if you're willing to pay more. But then again, on the A16 chip, the iPad is thicker. The power button for the Touch ID wiggles. This one does not. This one is much better, high quality. But you only get it in two colors. You get it in the silver and black versus the other iPads you get in more colors. This one you don't, which is that's the only downside. You get a matching cable with these ones, like the MacBooks. They charge faster. They're more higher horsepower. This has the M4 chip in it, which is better for Final Cut Pro. It's better. You get more wide angle and everything to it. In my opinion, it's just much better. The battery life on it is much better, much longer. The Bluetooth is better. The Wi-Fi pulling is better. Its wallpaper is good. Like, it's good for like this type of stuff, especially a picture like this. That's a good one. It shows everything more down to detail. The camera is even good. Obviously, you can't zoom out. It only goes up to 1x right now. And the video, you can't zoom out, but you can zoom in up to 3. You can zoom up to 5x, just like the iPad A16 chip. In my opinion, this one is much lighter. Like, its quality is, and the camera is much brighter versus the other iPad is much darker. I personally like this iPad a lot more than the A16 chip. Yes, it has one camera, but the sensors and everything are more into detail on this iPad versus the other one. Even if you want to spend $580, maybe $600 on the iPad mini and its Folio case, then so be it. But even that iPad mini, the A17 Pro chip one, has more colors than this. It has the same amount of power, if not a little bit less than this one, but a lot more than the A16 chip. In my opinion, I just like these better. It's good. it's not $1,200 worth. The only downside is the keyboard. Sometimes it doesn't want to work right. Like, sometimes it'll just light up but stop working entirely. So you gotta pop it off and clean these magnets here, right here, which that is one thing that I do like, is on this iPad, if you get a special cable, you can charge it with these magnets, and versus the other iPad, the magnets are along the side, but right here is where the Apple Pencil goes. Right here is where the magnets connect on this and this. They connect right here and here, which is nice. You can even get a magnetic pop socket and put the ring here and do this. Dang it, I do have that shut off, my bad. And it still is good. There is a strong magnet there, but that's the only thing that you gotta work on, is how strong this is. Other than that, this iPad is wonderful. It can have everything more into detail than some people actually would like. But in my opinion, this is a wonderful iPad to have. I personally like it. If this isn't your first iPad, don't get it. Go with something a little bit cheaper, like the iPad A16 chip. But if this isn't your first iPad and you're not willing to spend the money for a MacBook, please get this. It's a wonderful thing. It's the same layout as a MacBook, but you do get this. You can just pop this off, switch out the cases, all that, and they're good cases. You can even change the brightness of the keyboard as well. I personally like them a lot. It's a wonderful iPad. It is a lot thinner. It is just about as thin, if not thinner, than the iPhone 16 Pro Max. But I personally like it. It's a wonderful iPad. It's my daily iPad. And it's wonderful. That's it for this episode. We'll see you on the next one.